Welcome to the channel, Yankee's Outdoor Adventures. If you're watching this during the original upload date, then happy Halloween, and I have a Halloween tale to tell. Located in an area not far from here is a lore and a legend that has lasted for a very long time. The first time I heard it was nearly 30 years ago when I first come into this area. Now the story has changed a little bit over time, possibly because of the sensitive material, but I want to share the original version of this tale that I had first been told, and then we'll discuss the changes.
The Legend of Euler Road. Located west of Bowling Green, Ohio, is a little country road with an eerie history. As the legend goes, sometime in the mid to late 1800s, a young woman got involved in an interracial relationship. Of course, this was taboo for the time, and when she had given birth to a dark-skinned baby, the town gathered together and hung the baby from a tree while the mother sat crying and watching. Then the town hung the mother alongside her baby. To this day, you can still hear the baby cry along this long stretch of road. You can also hear the mother weeping. Those who've traveled down this road have also reported strange and eerie feelings, as well as ghostly figures. No one knows exactly what tree it was, or if the tree is even still standing. However, there's plenty of trees along this stretch that'll give your imagination the kickstart it needs for a ghostly experience.
Like I said, about 10 years ago, the story did change. It morphed to a story of a mother who hung her own baby, and it kind of dropped out all of the interracial stuff. Whether or not that's because of the sensitivity or just because people misunderstood the story originally, I'm not sure. But I do know that people claim to still have experiences on this road yet today. And in the last 10 years, about the same amount of time that the story has changed, people now claim that cell phones even act up when you're on this road. In fact, I had an experience when I was recording this road, my cell phone kept going off for no reason. Does this confirm the proof of the legend or the lore? Hey, I'm going to leave that for you to decide, and let me know in the comment section. Happy Halloween.